Welcome back. I want to share something about my BMW M340. So, modern BMWs, if you have your side mirror set to fold every time you lock the door, in about 6 to 7 years, your mirror motor may go out. And so, I don't have my mirror motor closing and unfolding or folding every time I lock the car or unlock it. So, if you do want to do it, sorry, my car unlocked here by itself. You hold the lock, which is this ribbed part right here. Hold it for a couple seconds, and that'll fold your mirror if you've jumped out of the car and you want to fold your mirror. And when you unlock it, the mirror will fold right open. And guess what? You could do it on any door. So I'll do it on the rear door. Same thing. So I prefer this method so that my motors don't get worn out. This is for just about every car that has folding mirrors. This rule to save your motor, not necessarily saying that you could fold them from the outside, but you could also fold them from the inside. So when I open this door, you have a button right here that'll fold your mirrors. When I press that, voila, mirrors will be folded. But this time, after they're folded, and I unlock the car. So if I unlock it, let's lock it, and I unlock it, they won't unfold. Okay? They'll only unfold if I folded the mirrors from the exterior. Thank you for watching. Until next time.